Hello, everyone, and welcome back to your English class. Today, we will continue what we've learned last week. I know that you're ready, so let's start. Let us first open the book button. Some, any. We use some in affirmative sentences only, with countable nouns in the plural and with uncountable nouns. Here are some of the examples. There is some cheese. There are some eggs. We use any in interrogative and negative sentences only, with countable nouns in the plural and with uncountable nouns. Is there any ice cream? There isn't any milk. Are there any tomatoes? There aren't any apples. A carrot, but some rice. An egg, but some eggs. There is some milk. Is there any rice? There isn't any rice. Now, let us check some examples by opening the OWL button. Students, listen and repeat.
An onion. Some onions. A biscuit. Some biscuits. Some milk. Some pasta. Time to eat.
Some pasta. Great. Is there any cheese?
Yes, there is. There are some sausages.
Yummy. Can I have an egg too?
Sorry, there aren't any eggs.
Mom, there isn't any milk.
No, there is some orange juice.
Now it's time to answer this page. Let's match. Example number 1. A tomato. What about number 2? An onion. Number 3. Is it a, an, or some? The answer is some milk. Number 4. Potato. The correct answer is a potato. 5. Rice. Some rice. Number 6. Pasta. Some pasta. Number 7. Biscuit. A biscuit. And for number 8, popcorn. The correct answer is some popcorn. Now let's check the next page. Read and circle. Example number 1. There are some sausages. Number 2. Is there any rice? Number 3. Are there any carrots? Number 4. There isn't any orange juice. 5. There aren't any biscuits? And for number 6, there is some pasta. On to the next part. What is there in your lunchbox? Choose 4 food items and tell the class. Let's check the example.
There's a burger, a carrot, some biscuits, and some pizza in my lunchbox.
Listen and repeat.
There's a burger, a carrot, some biscuits, and an egg in my lunchbox.
Moving on to the next part. Make a shopping list and talk with your friends. Then write a note for your mom. Let us check and listen to the example.
Mum, there are some onions, but there aren't any apples and there aren't any carrots. There is some rice, but there aren't any sausages and there isn't any milk. Can you get some? Mark.
This is our lesson for today. But before we end, let us check the activity book. Choose a, an, or some. Number 1, a biscuit. Number 2,
An egg.
number 3,
Some popcorn.
number 4,
Some rice.
5,
An onion.
6,
Some milk.
7,
A potato.
and finally, for number 8,
Some pasta.
on this part, we must look and complete. Example number 1.
There is some pasta.
Number 2.
There isn't any rice.
3.
There aren't any biscuits.
Number 4.
There are some sausages.
5.
There aren't any potatoes.
6.
There aren't any onions.
7.
There is some milk.
8.
There is some orange juice.
Now let's check the next page. Make questions. Example number 1.
Is there any rice?
Yes, there is some rice.
Number 2.
Are there any biscuits?
No, there aren't any biscuits.
Number 3.
Are there any eggs?
No, there aren't any eggs.
Number 4.
Are there any sausages?
Yes, there are some sausages.
Number 5.
Is there any popcorn?
No, there isn't any popcorn.
And finally, for number 6.
Is there any milk?
Yes, there is some milk.
This is our lesson for today. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you again next time. Goodbye.